Every time you cross my mind, it hit different. It seems like since you left, I feel like something is missing. The same I've been hurting, it got me up in my feelings. I know you watch it, so I pray and I just hope that you listen. I wanna say that I miss you.
Hello?
Hey, I wanna say that I miss you. Know that I ain't forget you. I know deep down that you gon' always be a part of me. 5 in the morning, all these people steady calling me. They say you gone and I break down, this took my heart from me. I call your phone, you gon' pick up, please can you talk to me? I turn my head up to the sky because I know it ain't right. We was just talking yesterday, said you was doing alright. How could I know my life would change? I was gonna see you tonight. I know that God worked different ways, I couldn't take one of mine. If I could see you, I would tell you I love you. Ain't nothing finna change, I'ma do all this shit for you. I put no one above you. I'm shedding all these tears, I hope you know that they for you.